has stuttered. He spoke of his impending death.
On Friday, September 27, 2024, Mount Pleasant came alive with the vibrant energy of Art All Night. This extraordinary event, hosted by District Bridges and Mount Pleasant Street Main Street, transformed our neighborhood into a bustling hub of creativity. The streets were filled with an eclectic mix of local artists, performers, musicians, and artisans, all showcasing their unique talents. From live music performances to interactive art installations, pop-up galleries to street performances, Art All Night offered something for everyone. This celebration of our community's diverse and dynamic spirit brought together art enthusiasts, curious locals, and visitors alike. It was more than just an event. It was a testament to the creative heart of Mount Pleasant. The event turned the ordinary into the extraordinary, painting the night with the colors of our collective creativity. It was a magical evening where art knew no bounds and our community shone brightest. For those who attended, it was an unforgettable experience. Art All Night Mount was a true reflection of what makes our community special.
If you can hear me out there. And so, what do you say, Mount